Hello my friends, this is Carlos, and in this video we're gonna go through how to embed your videos into your ClickFunnels community. I'm gonna do it two ways. I'm gonna do a Voomly video and I'm gonna do a YouTube video. So let me go right there. So when you go into Voomly, you open your video and you click share, and it's gonna give you your video page link. Not sure why, but their embed code for the community doesn't work. You can embed it everywhere else, but in the community it doesn't work. No problem. There's a fix for that. So you copy your video link so you can open it, and you can go and it will look something like this. All that you have to do, you open a new browser and you go to iframe-generator and you paste your link in there, and you can click preview, and that will preview the video so you can see your video how it shows. So hey, that's me. So again, all this information is coming from your Voomly video, so you can configure the top logo, the enable sound, images, whatever information, you can do that in Voomly. So we're not gonna touch about that. Then you click generate and it's gonna create you this code that is here. It's a little bit different. Copy it, come to your community, and just clicking here, test for Voomly video. And in the body, this is a video embed for Voomly. Okay, you need to click this little two brackets, that is a code. And in here, you paste the new code that was generated by the iframe generator. Not sure why theirs doesn't work, but then right there, post. And now you have your video in your community. Same thing, but let's say that you want to post a video from YouTube. You can actually do that. So let's say that I want to create a video from YouTube. Video from YouTube. This is a video embedded from YouTube. The YouTube one, you don't have the problem. With the YouTube, you just click the brackets and you go into your YouTube link and you copy their embed code. Copy it, come back, paste, you're good to go. So my friends, there you have it, how to embed your videos in your ClickFunnels community. So my friends, drop me a line, share with others, and if you have any questions, please let me know.